Hello, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, we will practice talking about the weather in simple English. Talking about the weather is very common in everyday life. Whether you are meeting a friend, starting a conversation, or just describing your day, the weather is an easy and friendly topic. Today, we will use a technique called shadowing. Shadowing means listening to me and then repeating what I say. This will help you improve your pronunciation, your rhythm, and your confidence in speaking. Don't worry if it feels a bit strange at first. You can go at your own pace, and I will repeat the important phrases many times so you can follow along easily. By the end of this video, you will have learned some useful words to describe the weather. You will also practice simple sentences and questions you can use in real life. I want you to feel comfortable and relaxed as we go through these exercises together. Remember, this is not a test. Learning English is a gentle process. Just listen carefully, repeat after me, and enjoy the practice. You can pause or go back if you'd like to practice a part again. The most important thing is that you feel good and confident as you speak. Let's begin with some easy, everyday vocabulary about the weather. Ready? Let's go to the next chapter together. Chapter 2. Basic Weather Vocabulary. Let's begin by learning some very common words we use when we talk about the weather. These are words you can use every day, so listen carefully and repeat after me. First, let's talk about sunny. Sunny. It's a sunny day. It's sunny outside. Your turn. Say it's a sunny day. Next, cloudy. Cloudy. It looks cloudy. It's very cloudy today. Your turn. Say it looks cloudy. And now, rainy. Rainy. It's rainy this morning. It's rainy outside. Your turn. Say, it's rainy this morning. Let's practice windy. Windy. It's windy today. It feels windy. Your turn. Say it's windy today. Here is the word hot. Hot. It's very hot outside. I feel hot. Your turn. Say it's very hot outside. And this is cold. Cold. It's cold in the evening. I am cold. Your turn. Say it's cold in the evening. We also have warm. Warm. The sun is warm today. It feels warm outside. Your turn. Say the sun is warm today. And one more. Cool. Cool. The morning is cool. It's nice and cool. Your turn. Say, the morning is cool. Let's do a very quick review. Repeat after me. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, hot, cold, warm, cool. Very good. These are simple words, but they will help you describe the weather every day. Keep listening and repeating. Practice will make you feel more comfortable. In the next chapter, we will put these words into short sentences so you can talk about today's weather. Let's continue together. Chapter 3. Talking about today's weather. Now that we have practiced some important words for the weather, let's put them into short, simple sentences. Talking about today's weather is something we do often in everyday life. Let's practice together. First, let's use it's to describe the weather. Repeat after me. It's sunny. Your turn. Say it's sunny. Very good. Next, it's rainy. Your turn. Say it's rainy. Well done. Now let's practice some more. It's windy. Your turn. Say it's windy. Nice. And it's cold. Your turn. Say it's cold. Great. Let's try another one. It's hot. Your turn. Say it's hot. Very good. And one more. It's cloudy. Your turn. Say it's cloudy. Excellent. You can also add today to your sentence. Listen carefully. It's sunny today. Your turn. Say it's sunny today. And it's rainy today. Your turn. Say it's rainy today. Let's practice a few more together. It's windy today. Your turn. Say it's windy today. And it's warm today. Your turn. Say it's warm today. You're doing very well. Talking about the weather like this is a very common way to start a conversation. Even when you meet someone new, you can say, "Hi, it's a sunny day, isn't it?" Your turn. Say, hi, it's a sunny day, isn't it? Very good. Keep repeating these sentences whenever you want to practice. The more you do it, the more natural it will feel. In the next chapter, we will practice asking questions about the weather so you can speak with other people too. Let's move on together. Chapter 4. Asking and answering questions. Now that you can describe the weather, let's practice asking questions too. Being able to ask about the weather will help you in conversations. Let's practice some simple questions and answers together. First, repeat after me. What's the weather like today? Your turn. Say, what's the weather like today? That's great. You can answer like this. It's sunny today. Your turn. Say, it's sunny today. Let's try another one. Is it rainy today? Your turn. Say, is it rainy today? And you can answer, yes, it's rainy. Your turn. Say, yes, it's rainy. Or you can say, no, it's not rainy, it's windy. Your turn. Say, no, it's not rainy, it's windy. Very good. Here's another simple question. Is it cold outside? Your turn. Say, is it cold outside? And the answer, yes, it's very cold. Your turn. Say, yes, it's very cold. Or, no, it's warm today. Your turn. Say, no, it's warm today. Great job. Let's do one more question. Do you like this weather? Your turn. Say, do you like this weather? And the answer could be, yes, I like this weather. Your turn. Say, yes, I like this weather. Or, no, I don't like rainy days. Your turn. Say, no, I don't like rainy days. Very nice. By practicing questions and answers like this, you'll be able to have a short conversation about the weather. Keep going. You're doing really well. Next, we'll practice talking about the past and future, so you can say what the weather was like yesterday or what it will be like tomorrow. Let's continue together. Chapter 5. Talking about yesterday and tomorrow. You have learned to talk about today's weather. Now let's practice talking about the past and the future. This will help you have a longer conversation and sound more natural. First, let's talk about yesterday. Repeat after me. Yesterday was rainy. Your turn. Say, yesterday was rainy. Very good. And another one. Yesterday was cold. Your turn. Say, yesterday was cold. Great job. You can also say, yesterday was windy. Your turn. Say, yesterday was windy. Well done. Now let's look at tomorrow, what the weather will be like. Repeat after me. Tomorrow will be sunny. Your turn. Say, tomorrow will be sunny. That's perfect. And another one. Tomorrow will be warm. Your turn. Say, tomorrow will be warm. Very nice. You can also say, tomorrow will be rainy. Your turn. Say, tomorrow will be rainy. Very good. When you want to ask about tomorrow, you can say, what will the weather be like tomorrow? Your turn. Say, what will the weather be like tomorrow? Great work. And you can answer, I think it will be cold tomorrow. Your turn. Say, I think it will be cold tomorrow. Excellent. You are improving quickly. Talking about yesterday and tomorrow will make your conversations feel more real and natural. Keep practicing these sentences every day. The more you do it, the easier it will feel. Next, we'll practice putting everything together into a short conversation so you can speak more confidently. Let's go on together. Chapter 6. Small Conversations About Weather. Now that you have practiced the words and questions, let's put everything together into a short conversation. Talking about the weather is a great way to start a friendly chat with someone. Let's do this together. First, listen to this short conversation. I will say each part slowly, and then you repeat after me. Person A. Hi, what's the weather like today? Your turn. Say, hi, what's the weather like today? Person B. It's warm and sunny. Your turn. Say, it's warm and sunny. Person A. That's nice. Do you like this kind of weather? Your turn. Say, that's nice. Do you like this kind of weather? Person B. Yes, I do. It's my favorite. Your turn. Say, yes, I do. It's my favorite. Very good. Let's do another short conversation. Person A, is it windy outside? Your turn. Say, is it windy outside? Person B, no, it's not windy. It's very calm. Your turn. Say, no, it's not windy. It's very calm. Person A, that's perfect for a walk. Your turn. Say, that's perfect for a walk. Person B, I agree. Let's go together. Your turn. Say, I agree. Let's go together. Great work. Practicing short conversations like this will help you feel more comfortable. Repeat these dialogues often. They will help you speak more naturally. In the next chapter, we'll finish with a short summary and some helpful tips for daily practice. Let's go on together. You've done a wonderful job practicing all these new words, questions, and conversations. Talking about the weather is an easy and natural way to begin using your English every day. Even small practice sessions can make a big difference in your speaking and listening skills. Remember, it's okay if you don't get everything perfect right away. Language learning takes time, so be kind to yourself and practice a little bit every day. You can repeat these phrases in the morning when you look outside, or while you're walking, or even as you check the weather on your phone. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. If you'd like, listen to this video again. Repeat the words and sentences after me one more time. Shadowing, listening, and then repeating will help you remember and speak more easily. Keep enjoying your practice. Every word you say is a big step forward. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep going. You're doing very well.